Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face with a facial wash. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Then follow with toner. Evenly apply gel across the face. Attach the eye head to the handle. Eye application reduces fine lines. Settings. Mode CTN. Energy level 3. Apply the stamping technique from the eye corner to the temple, pressing the handle button for each treatment spot. Lift from the eye corner towards the temple in an upward motion. Lift from the eyebrow towards the hairline. Repeat on the other side. Wipe the handle with a wet cloth, sterilize with saline, and then dry with a towel. Press the red button on the handle to remove the eye head and then attach the face head to the handle. Face application, lifting and firming. Settings. Mode CTN. Energy level 3. Apply the stamping technique across the face, pressing the handle button for each treatment spot. Glide the handle upward on the chin area. Repeat on the other side. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Apply eye mask and facial mask, and wait for 15 minutes. Remove the masks and clean the residue on the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream. Wipe the handle with a wet cloth, sterilize with saline, and then dry with a towel.